Greetings from Asktenali, and today we'll be talking about mobile etiquette. What is etiquette? Etiquette is simply a set of things you can do and things you should not do. And today, since everyone is using a mobile, whether it's for personal or official use, and there are a set of things you can do while talking on the mobile and set of things you should avoid while talking on the phone. Sam is working as an admin manager. He carries a mobile. He has come across the word mobile etiquette, wants to know more that what he can do while talking on the phone and what he should not do while talking on his mobile. Let us see. First one is switching it off. Wherever it is not required and if it is a hindrance to others, you should ensure that it is in silent mode or it is switched off. And mobile phones are used for conversations, which has to be simple, precise, short, and to be brief. Because mobile phones are meant to be used like that. You should not carry long chats so that specifically if it is for official use, there might be people waiting to call on you. And in case you have to use it and you're in a group and there is a ring on your mobile, you have to take permission, get out of that place or room, and then attend to the call. You have to be polite. You have to follow all the niceties. You have to be graceful while answering the mobile. And today, I think there are strict laws also on this. You should not use your mobile while driving. And it's one of the safety aspects also for both the user as well as it can cause unwanted incidents. And I see people, when they're angry with somebody or some issue, they bang on the phone on the table or on the floor to show their displeasure. This should be strictly avoided. And if you are at a dining room, if you are at a restroom or in a theater, ensure that do not attend to the phone unnecessarily. And if you have to use, take permission, go out of the place, attend the call. And in case somebody asks you somebody's mobile number, this is not to be given without the other person's permission. Just because you know the number of somebody, you're not supposed to hand out the mobile numbers. And we have to be extra cautious and careful while giving out your own mobile number also. And today, mobile phones are part of life. It is used for effective communication. We at Asktenali conduct a number of seminars. If you want to know more about us, our seminars, how to communicate more effectively, please visit our website www.asktenali.com. Thank you.